Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mom here to talk herbs with you today. And today's herb is chamomile. Let me preface this video by letting you know that I believe in customized medicine, not cookie cutter medicine. And so anything that I say today is not meant to replace what you have been prescribed by your physician. Rather, this is for information, and you can always discuss these things with your physician. But please, I do not know your specific diagnosis, your pathology, or your treatment. So this is meant for information purposes. All right, let's jump right into it. Chamomile is often an American household favorite herb, right? It's very well known. You can go and find it at any grocery store, a drugstore, or many just general stores, Ross, etc. And it will often be labeled as a sleepy time tea or relaxation tea, and that's because it actually does have relaxation properties. For thousands of years, in places like ancient Rome, Greece, and of course Egypt, this was used as a medicine. And so it was unfamiliar to me until recently because my youngest son, poor baby, had horrible eczema. And his symptoms were so severe that he would oftentimes scratch until he bled. Koa, what's going on? Are you itchy? Okay. His skin was dry, it was cracked, he was irritable, he was in pain often. And so, in my quest to find non pharmacological and non steroidal treatment options, I did a bit of research and saw that chamomile is very good with treating wounds and actually treating eczema. And what I did for my son was boil tea and let it cool off, and then I added it to his bath water, and it was amazing because almost immediately there was symptomatic relief. His itching was decreased, if not resolved. He was happier, his skin was softer, and the dryness was resolved or disappeared. And so after that point, chamomile and I were best friends. And then I just came to learn so much more about chamomile and its amazing properties. Chamomile, like I said, has been used for centuries, and even now on many countries' pharmacopoeias or their list of medicines in at least 26 or not more countries, chamomile is listed as an official medicine. And here in the United States, actually, recently at the University of Pennsylvania in 2009, in a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study. All that means is in a study using one of the best designs you can do or implement for research purposes, chamomile was found to be very effective in generalized anxiety disorders. So in people who had mild to moderate generalized anxiety, chamomile was very effective in treating the symptoms. Also, chamomile has antihistamine properties. Antihistamine, you may have heard before. Common over-the-counter antihistamine medicines are Benadryl, Allegra, there is Zyrtec, there is Claritin, just to name a few. Well, chamomile is a natural antihistamine, and so it can be effective in treating symptoms such as hay fever, which is a layman's term for a whole variety of allergy symptoms, including runny, watery eyes, itchy eyes, frequent sneezing, runny nose, itchy nose. Chamomile is effective in that. It's effective in insomnia, so sleep issues. It's effective in treating menstrual cramps and menstrual irregularity, muscle aches and pain, muscle cramps. Also in treating with blood sugar regulation. It's an anti-glycemic agent. And so with diabetes, while I would not say that it is a treatment for for diabetes, it can help with blood sugar control. Also, it can be used for wounds, for hemorrhoids. It can also help with boosting your immune system. It increases levels of a substance known as glutathione, which your body uses as an antioxidant. So in protecting the body from illness. Antioxidants can help with that, and what chamomile does is it increases the levels of glutathione, so that's pretty exciting. Also, ta-da! It can be used as a beauty agent, as a cosmetic agent, because chamomile can help lighten the hair. If you are accustomed to having highlights, I obviously love highlights. Chamomile you can utilize that to make natural highlights and to lighten your hair. So I hope you enjoyed this segment discussing the wonderful medicinal uses of chamomile. You do want to be careful because it does have blood thinner properties. It has an ingredient called coumarin, and so you want to be careful if you are taking a blood thinner. Always discuss it first with your physician. I hope you enjoyed this segment. Again, I'm Dr. Bonman Senkungu, also known as Dr. Mom, and go and get you some chamomile so you can calm your nerves. A lot of us deal with anxiety. All right, have a great day and live well. Goodbye.